Welcome to Oceano construction site.
I would say here we are now completed the rock foundation by 70%, and we also done the ground floor by 50%. The first floor of the podium also we done almost 50%. Also, I would say here this is the tower B location, and that one the tower A. Tower A already we completed level 3, and now we are working for to reach level 4. Tower B, now we are working for the second floor.
We will complete 6 floors on each tower, which is Tower A and Tower B, and we'll also start with the block work and the MEP work. At present, we have 6 under construction workers on site in addition to the engineers and supervisors, and this will gradually increase to 800 in the next 3 months. I'm now standing on level 3 of Tower A. You can see Tower B from here as well, which we are on level 2 at the moment. You can see the private beach. We are achieving 1 floor every 15 days. In addition to this, we have also started the block work from the lower floors and the MEP work.
I'm the project manager of this project from the main contractor China State Construction, and here you can see Tower B and level 2 is ongoing. You can see the podiums is progressing up to the envelope, and we will complete the project on the target schedule.
From Oceano to the wind.